you is, how do you feel as an artist that NFTs and maybe blockchain more broadly is empowering for you guys, and maybe some of the opportunities that it gives you that maybe traditional art and illustration doesn't?
Yeah, that's a really great question. Thank you. I really do believe that NFTs are truly revolutionizing the art world by empowering artists like myself in several ways. Um, I think, firstly, NFTs allow us to bypass traditional gatekeepers like galleries and auction houses and instead connect directly with our audience of collectors. This gives us greater control over our own artistic careers, allowing us to set our own prices and establish our own brands. It's really super great when you can, I don't know, even DM in your collector, right? You can give a feedback to your work. It's really, I don't know, it's like unbelievable. And secondly, NFTs offer a new level of transparency and security in the art market. By using blockchain technology, we can ensure that each piece of artwork is unique, and we can track the ownership and provenance of each piece with greater accuracy, I think. And I think this helps to prevent fraud and ensure that artists are fairly compensated for their work. And finally, I believe that NFTs are empowering artists by opening up new markets. With NFTs, we can sell our artwork to a global audience of collectors, and we can earn royalties each time our work is resold. Right on the secondary market. This provides a new level of financial stability and independence for artists, allowing us to focus on creating the best possible work without worrying about the ups and downs of the traditional art market. So these are my thoughts about the NFTs community, how it can empower artists. I think honestly, it can be truly revolutionizing, and I'm really glad that this technology exists and that its technology is kind of linked to an art, because we now know that NFTs can be used in many ways, but it's especially popular in the art side, right? So I'm really happy that it kind of maybe even made art more popular, if we can say so. Like it made artists more, let's say, more hot topic, because everyone, I don't know, I feel like artists are not truly appreciated. It's probably not that popular, but NFTs made it more, in my opinion, they made it more popular, that people can talk about art more, and thanks to NFTs. So yeah, thank you for this question. It's really, um I really have some thoughts of it.
Yeah, it's an important question, I think, to ask, because it's helping people solve a really important problem. And I think it's for the first time giving artists a really big stage, or at least for the first time in a long time, a big stage, a big spotlight, and I think rejuvenating an industry that's very old.